marks here, we can change what type of graph we have. There's another area for that too, is this show me. So in here I can say I want bar charts instead, and that will quickly change that for me. And there's other options too, of course. I'm going to stick with line here, and the workhorses are generally bar and line charts. There's at times other things can make sense too, but these two are the most useful typically. And when we view something over time, typically line charts are good for showing though. These other areas here, I can change things. For example, I can put some dimensions onto color. And if I do that, each group in that dimension is going to be given a different color. So instead of showing all these sites in different panels like this, I can drag site code onto color, and now each site will be a different color. This is of course a spaghetti chart that may or may not be useful, but that's what it does. You can also use size to show another measure in the graph. So say we want to know quantity. So now we get smaller circles are lower quantities and bigger circles are larger quantities. And just like here where I can change what I'm going to be summing or averaging, I can change this to be either sum or average or minimum or maximum or whatever type of aggregation I want to do. So that's the marks area, and you can of course play around with these other things too a little bit. But labels are also useful many times to put labels onto here. So if I want to do this, for example, I would get the sum of transaction quantity would now be put on labels on the different dots.